Welcome back to CountyLine TV. 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 We're going to get right into it today. I got my... Psych, I ain't got it. What did I do with that footage? So we're going to get right into it today. I got my extra Chinese 90-degree A inline.
It comes from China.
And I will go ahead and note that I can count the number of times I've made A inlines in my day with one finger. So I'm not very well versed in this, but we're gonna do it anyway because I need this car to work. We've got T-minus like about 2 weeks to the day, yeah, right?
Not too long.
Actually, it's less. It's like we got like 13 days till this car has to be ripping down at Salem with $10,000 on the line. Well, $5,000 for first place, but you get what I'm saying. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this old line off, start getting this new one on, and probably try to diagnose a leak after that. No wonder people say to use AN wrenches. The anodizing came right off of this. How do I get this off? Just like that. Quit being a sissy. Probably could have left that on. Stupid. Ow.
Yeah, sure.
Taylor Ray makes this look so easy.
This part might be.
Yo, I was really riding the struggle bus there. You can probably tell by how tore up my gloves are that that stuff was really sharp. But it's in there and it's done. I'm just gonna run the wires to the new fan just like they were on the old fan that you guys saw me do whenever we did the oil cooler install the first time. You know, before the one track day that the oil cooler was on. Anyway, I'm gonna get that wired up real quick and then we'll see if she holds oil. Stay tuned for that. Your boy forgot to close this video, and I'm already sorry about the audio for this because I know that my computer's onboard microphone is dookie. But I figured I'd close this video. I forgot to close it because I went right into the next one. I
already have it recorded and stuff too. So I was just like already in the garage, and it didn't click to me that I needed to stop what I was doing here so I could go work on a different vehicle and things would make sense. But whatever. This video is only like 5 minutes long anyway. But don't forget to hit like and tell your mom to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.